Hello, students. Today I'm available here with one more new chapter of Class 9 Moments book, that is The Lost Child, composed by Mulkraz Anand. Student, the chapter The Lost Child is full of messages. Ki parents are everything for you. Okay, later we will come to know how the parents are everything for you. This is the story of a very small child. Ki once it was the time of carnival, that was ki there was a fair in the village, and the one parent with his own child was going to celebrate the fair. They were going to enjoy the fair. Here we can say the child is curious creature. A child is very naughty creature. He is very excited. This child is very excited about the fair because he was going to enjoy with his parents. But at last something tragic things happen. Some tragic is there in the end. We will see what happened with the child. Let's see, start the chapter. The child was moving with his father and mother to the fair. मेला देखने जा रहे थे और the child was excited with everything, whatever the things were coming on their path. We can say fascinated by everything, by the birds, by the flowers, by the fields, by बाज़ार जाने से पहले जो भी उनकी सामने चीज़ें आती तो बच्चा बहुत ज़्यादा खुश होकर उन सब चीज़ों को निहारता. Now, in this way the child was lagging behind. He was going to be left behind. The parents were moving. So again they were calling, come back, what you are doing there? Okay. So many a time the child was going to be left. The child was trying to purchase anything, but how he will purchase? He was finding all the sorts of the shops, but वो चाहकर भी नहीं खरीद सकता था because he was well aware कि my father will not allow and he will give the excuses. And he was well aware that my father will refuse all his demands. The child was silently moving with his father. First of all, he dared to ask, Mama, Father, I want to take this toy. But mother also well aware here. That's why she distracted the attention of the child and told, see now, this is the very colorful yellowish mustard fill. Why she distracted the mind of the child? Because she was also aware that her husband will not allow to purchase anything, and she was complimenting about the mustard field. बच्चे को वो दिखा रही है, डाइवर्ट कर रही है टेंशन को कि देखो देखो कितना खूबसूरत मस्टर्ड का फील्ड है, like melted gold. तो at different time the mother was trying to divert the attention of the child so that he would not resist on purchasing anything of a single rupee. Again the child is moving towards the dragonfly. He was trying to catch the dragonfly. मतलब बच्चा का attention कोई एक particular जगह पर ज़्यादा देर के लिए नहीं टिक रहा है. A child is a child. It is their nature. He is just going to be fascinated with everything around his nature. And in this way he was left back again. Parents were once again calling, come back here, what you are doing there? Again he saw the doves. Then he saw a lot many flowers. Then he saw the petals and he was playing with the petals. And in this way again he was letting back. वो बार बार पीछे रह जा रहा था, पेरेंट्स आगे की तरफ बढ़ रहे थे मेला की तरफ. तो इन दिस वे फाइनली दे आर अराइविंग द फेयर. वो कार्निवल फेयर में पहुंच चुके हैं. एंड देयर द चाइल्ड सॉ different stalls of the different eatable items, and his mouth started watering. But what he could do, he was well aware that my father will not allow me. Student and parents also, there is a moral ki listen your child. Okay, so first of all he saw the stalls of the sweets. You know what, different colorful sweets were decorated on the stalls, like gulab jamun, बर्फी, जलेबी. एंड यू नो व्हाट कि उस बच्चे का फेवरेट जो स्वीट्स था दैट वाज बर्फी. बट ही कुड नॉट डू. बट प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे था, ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू रेसिस्ट ऑल्सो. एंड इन दिस वे नेक्स्ट he saw the flower stalls. His favorite flower was there, gulmohar, but also he was not able to do anything. वो चाह के भी कुछ नहीं खरीद पा रहा था. फिर ये किस काम का मेला. Then he again saw the snake charmer. As he was proceeding ahead, he was watching different stalls. Snake charmer was playing there the game. वो जानता था कि इफ़ आई विल डिमांड माई फादर विल टेल, अभी तुम बच्चे हो, इन सब चीज़ों से खेलोगे, दिस म्यूज़िक यू विल लाइक. तो सच टाइप ऑफ द कमेंट्स एंड द क्रिटिसिज्म एंड द excuses father was making to the child. So he was not able to control his excitement. Feeling was overwhelmed. चूँकि ये मेला था, उसके फीलिंग बहुत ज़्यादा बेतहाशा बाहर की तरफ आ रहे थे टू एन्जॉय द फेयर. He saw the flute seller also, and now he stopped at the balloon seller because it was the most fascinating thing for the child. He started watching and counting the balloons of the balloon seller and started thinking that ki what I have to do, even a single balloon I can't purchase from this fair. Then he proceeded to the next stall, that was the roundabout. और यहाँ पे तो बिल्कुल ही अपने आप को कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाया. And started watching all the persons enjoying the roundabout. And at that time he was left behind again. And this is the tragic here, कि when he thought to talk to father, he found himself कि he has been lost in the fair. He has been lost in the fair, and he started crying. He left all those colorful things behind, and now he started crying, father, mother, father, mother. Now he understood the importance of father and mother and parents. As we compare the two moments, before to join the fair he was very happy, he was overwhelmed, and when he was lost in the fair he forgot all those things. No, मुझे इन सब चीज़ों की ज़रूरत अब नहीं है. He was paying attention only to father. He was searching, he was walking, he was running hither and thither in search of father and mother, but nowhere he found father. He started crying very bitterly and running away here and there. Now see students the difference between the two moments. एक पहले का जब वो मेला ज्वाइन कर रहा था और एक बाद का जब वो मेला में खो चुका था. Understood that all things are worthless. Why the people are enjoying here? Because of the importance of the parents. उसको आज पेरेंट्स से बढ़कर कुछ नहीं लग रहा था. इस मेला में भी उसे फैडनेस दिख रहा था. वो अपने आप को धुंधला महसूस कर रहा था कि विदाउट पेरेंट नथिंग इज़ देयर, नथिंग इज़ देयर, कुछ भी नहीं है बिना पेरेंट्स के बिना. एंड ही रियलाइज द इम्पॉर्टेंस ऑफ द पेरेंट्स. Or situation, the writer Mulk Raz Anand has created here the very panic scenario. One man saw the child crying bitterly. he inquired the child and took in him own lap and started asking कि what's your name. तो child is a child. He is not able to explain the information कि कब कौन सा information कहाँ पे देना है. The child was totally diverted here, and the man was trying to divert the attention of the child कि कुछ पल के लिए वो अपने पेरेंट्स को भूल कर enjoy तो मेला को कर ले. That's why he was taking the child to the different stalls. First of all at the garland, then on the snake charmer, but the child was not responding. He was only shouting and crying, I want to go to my father. Only he was replying, my father and my mother. तब वो बच्चा सिर्फ अपनी माँ और पिताजी को खोजता हुआ चिल्लाता रहा. The chapter is over.